guys, it's Tanya Foster and I'm here to tell you about the dpHUE Root Touch-Up Kit for Sephora. I use this kit in between my salon visits to get my gray out of my hair because it covers 100% of your gray. This kit has 2 applications, so you will be able to use it twice in between salon visits. So I go every 6 weeks or so to get my highlights done to become that natural blonde that I am. But in between, that stubborn gray starts to grow out, especially right here where your part is, and you don't want to see it. So between those 6-week appointments, I use the dpHUE Root Touch-Up Kit that you can get at Sephora, and I do it myself at home. Now, you need to know that that's a 45-minute process, start to finish, and it is a permanent solution because it is permanent color. They give you everything you need to do the entire process in the kit. The Root Touch-Up Kit comes with all your instructions, so you'll be able to follow along. Again, it's a 45-minute process. So you're going to take a tube of the hair color in a disposable bowl and tightly screw the cap back on to save it for your. Add 1 packet of the developed color to the bowl and mix it thoroughly. And of course you've put on your gloves so that you're not going to stain anything. Take the mixture and make small parts in your hair to apply to the gray first. So what you're really trying to do is you're trying to get all the color all in the gray, which is right where it's growing out. And then make sure you do where you part your hair because that's where it's most obvious. Apply the product generously. To cover additional areas, use the tip and the applicator brush and part your hair and just keep going through your hair until you've used up all the product. Put your processing cap on and then set the timer for 45 minutes. If you want it to cover that stubborn gray, which I have for sure, leave it on an extra 5 to 15 minutes. You can't overdo it in this. Jump in the shower using lukewarm water, rinse it out. You're going to get your hair color, and when you open this, the first time you use it, you're going to use half of the tube for the first application, screw the top back on tightly and save it for the second application. You're also going to get your developer. You'll get 2 packets. You get your gloves to use, and they even give you your comb where you part your hair and then brush it on. And you get a bowl to mix it all together. And they're so kind, they even give you some shampoo and conditioner to fix your hair when you're done. I love the dpHUE product, and I think you will too. Give it a try. Thanks again. This is Tanya for dpHUE and Sephora.